What's up, BB Gang? It's about Javon, Instagram Siobhan. We are back on the video, and you know what I'm saying, dig?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's your girl Siobhan, and we are back with another video.
I already said that.
Why wouldn't you say my part?
It's the girl Siobhan. I already said it. They already heard it. They don't want to hear it 3 times.
But you're not a girl.
But I said I know your name, though.
But it's my name. Exactly, my name, so I can say my name.
I can say your name, too.
I didn't say your name,
So
you don't say my name.
You choose not to say my name, but I choose to say her name.
Because you went to
I'm trying to help you out.
But I don't need help saying my name. I know my name.
I know your heart need help.
Anyways, guys, we're gonna be doing a vlog for you all today.
We're back with another vlog, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what we're doing today, but we're doing something today, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to start twerking for you.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Sit your mom. Sit your ways down for a shit out these across this damn street.
He lying, y'all. He playing. He know who wears pants in this relationship.
I'm a slut in the end, man, but we're in a relationship. You must be dreaming.
You must be dreaming.
Alright, what about today?
Alright, guys. So we are gonna be doing a vlog. We are currently at Buffalo Wild Wings because we're hungry. We didn't eat breakfast. So yeah, guys, it's lunchtime, so we're gonna go eat wings from Buffalo Wild Wings.
We're gonna consume. Well, you're gonna eat. I'm gonna consume.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna do a vlog for you all. Right now, we are at Buffalo Wild Wings. We're gonna eat something, and then later on, babe, did you still want to go to?
If we have time, we're gonna go to. If we have time, we're gonna go stop by the smoothie place that she wanna try.
Oh yeah, I want to try the smoothie place out.
I was saying, if we have time. If we have time, because I don't know what we're gonna do today. To be honest, we're not gonna make this video too long. We're gonna stop by right Buffalo Wild Wings. It's currently 12:55, 5 minutes to 1. First meal of the day. We ain't eating nothing all morning.
Nothing.
So pretty much, we shouldn't take that long. Maybe an hour. No, not an hour. Maybe, I don't know. We shouldn't take that long. So we're gonna eat something and hit the mall. Then I don't know what we're gonna do after that. Probably end up when we hit the mall.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, guys, journey with us. Feel me?
Oh, guys, if you all like my hair, I made this wig, but I got this hair from Nadula. So this is not a sponsor. I'm just letting y'all know just in case y'all be like, oh, I like your hair, girl. I got this hair from Nadula. The lace skirt in the I had to put that in there, babe. I feel accomplished. Like, I feel good about this wig I made. Okay, so yeah, guys, let's go eat. I'm hungry. Yes, they do. Some people do.
I'm probably say chat too much.
I don't chat too much.
Chat too much. Alright, guys, lunchtime. We're finna go in there, eat some, consume, wipe on everything here. Anyway, make sure you do, make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below. Alright,
He's so goofy. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video, guys. So yeah, we're gonna meet you, see you in Buffalo Wild Wings. So peace. Hey guys, so we are currently inside of Buffalo Wild Wings. We can't record it live because it's musically and we don't want to get copyrighted. So yeah, we just ordered our food. We have a Tuesday special, free wings, traditional. So we got 20 wings, and then I ordered a wrap. And Dave ordered a sandwich, right? Yeah, he ordered a sandwich. So yeah, guys, we're about to get our food in a little bit, and we're gonna grub. So. Alright, guys, we have our food. I got the chicken bacon ranch wrap, some wings.
I think this is the Caribbean jerk. Yeah, I think this is it. So we got 4 different. We got 4.
We got what? Caribbean jerk, buffalo mild, buffalo medium, and honey barbecue. What's that big old onion he got on there?
You take these onions out. Take this out.
And then we got strawberry lemonade.
Yeah. Good baby, she get it in there.
I'm hungry.
Because she ain't playing. Of course she doing. Look how she gets poured. Oh my god.
You got no juice to it.
That conversation is kind of nice. There you go. Nice. Guys, look at the size of this burger, man. I don't think I can bite this right on the bite, but what is?
Alrighty, guys, we are leaving Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh, let me see Buffalo.
Thank you.
She's too tall for me. Too tall.
I'm too tall for you.
Too tall.
Look at this food.
Too tall.
He's so goofy. He's so goofy. Alright, guys, we're leaving Buffalo Wild Wings. Y'all see it back there? Where is it? Right there? You see it right there? I can't see nothing. Son, you see it? Where? Right there?
There.
Okay. Alright, we about to go. Where we going now? We about to hit up Carroll Town Center?
Yeah, we might make a quick mall run real quick.
We need a thumbnail.
Huh?
We need a thumbnail. Babe, come on, thumbnail. He's running his food off. Come on, let's go. Oh! This food here. He's a clown. Exercise, exercise. Wait, you're running too fast.
You got it right?
He has a lot of breath. Y'all look at Babe's new cut.
Where do we go? Yeah, guys, I stopped doing waves, guys.
He said he gonna stop doing waves.
No, for now.
For
I
now?
washed my waves out. It's not in there no more.
Yeah, he did. Look at this. Look at the clouds. Babe, you hold it. This is heavy.
Whew.
Okay.
Why is she on my hand for?
Because.
What is he doing?
You like me
They
on-
can't see it like this. No.
Why?
Alright, guys, we're gonna walk to find a store and we'll be right back. Guys, look, this is all she do. And that. She be Netflixing and chilling by herself. Who's over there? Look, your hand is on the Where am I? Standing right here.
Man, you can come over here.
I'm trying to collect some geeks.
Ow! I'm gonna find some more.
Guys, I go cheese every day. Come home. I mean, not really come home, but she always be eating food and watching Netflix without me. Then when I come to lay down or come to chill, I already mixed that in there 20 minutes of the movie.
I don't really watch movies that we gonna watch together. Because you're gonna sit here and watch this.
I don't know what it is.
It's about this LGBT community.
But yeah, guys, like you guys see, we're home. We're back home. We didn't vlog us at the mall because we didn't really didn't buy anything, so there was no point for us to vlog us. We went to look around. Well, we see what we want, but next time we're gonna go there and get it. A couple of shirts and pants and a few shoes and stuff. But yeah, we made it home. Give the God thanks for another day. We made it home and I'm saying safe. We about to edit this video right now. It's Tuesday, currently what, Tuesday? Tuesday. We're gonna try to edit this video right now, post it right now. I don't know, maybe not tomorrow. And then I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. We're chicken out. I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. I gotta go work tomorrow. Oh my god, but you guys make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.
I gotta work too.
Oh yeah.
I gotta work too, guys, but I closed, so.
Like a frog.
You like a frog. You like a frog. Hi, y'all. Look at my edges. Ooh, baby hair is laid. They ain't going nowhere. Ooh. I'm tired, y'all. That sun drained the life out of me. I'm sleepy.
Faxy Reggie.
Y'all, have y'all tried these chips? Look. Shit, I'm breaking a bag even more. It's rice cakes, actually. They're pretty good. I'm full, but this is like a snack. Because I'm thirsty. Babe, can you give me some drink? Thank you. Alright, guys. We about to end this video. Babe went in the kitchen, so I'm going to just end it right here because we're not going to record anymore. So, I'm sleepy. I need a nap. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, guys. If you all like this video, comment in the comment section. Comment heart or something. Just, you know, comment a heart. Comment, I don't know, thumbs up, something. Like this video. Comment section below. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, make sure, first thing you do, click on the video, like it, then subscribe. First steps. And then you can watch it and then comment later. And also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we post a video. And yeah, guys, we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Oh, here goes babe. Babe. Oh, y'all, look, he brought me something to drink. Oh, I didn't know you heard me. Oh, that's why I love you.
Close it out?
I already closed it out, but you came in right when I was about to end it.
Oh, first time.
Ouch.
Well, yeah, guys, I don't know what we're going to do tonight. I don't know. We'll probably go bowling or something. Maybe. I don't know. But, it was a chill little Tuesday. Nothing too fancy. Nothing. We didn't do that much. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. We see you guys in the next video.
Me so goofy. Look at this fool. That's what I gotta put up with.
Peace.